So I was going to do a few checks on this to see why a fan ain't working on your oven. So basically you trace the wires in. Here's your neutral going through a thermal cutout that then feeds the light bulb here and then the motor. So you want to be checking this for continuity. So set your meter to read continuity. Best to get the buzzer on. Test see if it's working. Now check across this thermal cutout. So the thermal cutout's working. Next, just go to ohm scale and test your motor. So that's your motor, it's just doing a reading of the ohms of the winding. That's your winding. So the ohms of that are 146 ohms resistance. So that is a pretty good motor winding. This looks like a shaded pole motor. So it's an induction motor on the rotor. You can just make sure the rotor spins. So make sure it ain't seized and the bearings ain't gone. So now we know the motor's okay, bearing's okay, thermal cutout's okay. The only thing that could be wrong now is the switch. So what I would do is I'd put your leads in and then, only if you feel comfortable, turn the live on, make the oven live, turn the switch to the oven and the fan position and see if you're getting electric down to it. If you are getting electric down to it, then it should be working. It's obviously a fault down here somewhere. If it isn't working, then if it isn't sending electric down and all this is correct and wired up alright, then the switch is faulty. So that's it. It can only be the fan motor, thermal cutouts or the switch.